Here's a quick video of the multiplication study guide. Anytime I have a zero in it, at the end I want to just put my zero down and then multiply what's left. So I got 1 times 47 left. 1 times 47 is 47, 470. Here I got a zero, so I'm going to put that zero down and I just start coming down the line. 7 times 8 is 56, carry my 5, 21, 26, carry my 2, 35, 37. 1, 2, 3 spots over for my comma, 37,660. No zeros in this one, so I'm just multiplying a 1 digit times 4. 30, 35, 38, 40, 43, 45, 49, 49,380. I have zeros in the top and the bottom. I just count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 4 zeros at the end, and 8 times 6 is all that's left. That's 48. My comma goes there. 480,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. And the only thing left is 4 times 3 is 12. Put my commas in. 1, 2, 3, 120 million. Scrolling up. Okay. This time I'm doing 2 digit times 2 digits, so things will be a little bit different. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry my 1, 12, 13. Marco, which we usually say is mark out, is our Marco. And Polo, we're putting the 0 in here because this 9 is really 90 because it's in the tens place, so that's why you have the 0. 0 that would be there just got marked out and brought down. 9 times 6 is 54. Carry my 5. 36 plus 1 or plus 5 is 41. Which would give me an answer of 4,278. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry my 2. 15, 17. Marco Polo. 32. 24, 27. I'm at 2,890. Notice this 0 is in the middle, so I cannot mark it out. So we just got to go through the whole multiplying. 32, carry my 3. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 3. 4 times 6 is 24. Marco Polo. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry my 4. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 4. 5 times 6 is 30. Add these up. 32,832. 7 times 4 is 28. 8, 10. Carry my 1, 4, 5. Marco Polo. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 4 is 16. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 8, 2, 11, 718, 8,128. 5 times 7 is 35. 25, 28. 5, 7. And a 10. Marco Polo. 56. 40, 45. 8, 12. 16, 17. Got a 5, 14, carry my 1, 8, 13, carry my 1, there's a 3 and an 8. 1, 2, 3, 183,345. Use the facts to solve the problems. Show all of your work. The dinosaur weighs 26 tons. How many pounds is that? Well, I see the word tons and pounds, so I need to go find that fact, which is right here. So 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. And I've got 26 of those tons, so I could go 2,000 plus 2,000 26 times, but I would much rather go 2,000 times 26. And since I see that I'm going to get rid of those zeros, I'm going to flip this problem on its head right now before I even start and say 26 times 2,000, because I'm going to get rid of that 0, that 0, that 0. I got rid of 3 zeros, and now I have 2 times 26. 2 times 6 is 12, carry my 1, 4, 5. 52,000 pounds. The turkey weighs 27 pounds. How many ounces is that? Am I going to use that same fact? No, because this time I want pounds and ounces instead of pounds and tons. So here's the fact I want. So I'm going to have 27 times 16. Doesn't matter which one's on top. Still going to get the same answer. 42, 12, 16. Marco Marco Polo, 7 and a 2, add them up, 432 ounces, which can be abbreviated OZ. The garage is 19 feet long, and we want to change the feet to inches, so I'm looking for one that has feet and inches, because almost all of the rest have one or the other. This one, notice it doesn't have the word feet, but it does have the word foot because there's only one of them. So I'm taking 19 times 12. Again, it doesn't matter which one I put on top. And I'm going to end up with 228 inches long for my garage. Golf hole was 249 yards away. How many feet is that? We're looking for yards and feet. 1 yard equals 3 feet. So I'm taking the 249 times 3. 27, 12, 14, 6, 7. 747 feet. Alright. Doing pretty well so far. Hope you are. Alright. How many napkins in 8 packs? So I need to come up here and see what I got going in my chart. So I got the number in the pack and I got the cost per pack. Well, I really don't need, since it's asking me how many napkins, I don't care how much it costs. So I'm going to my napkins, 650 in a pack, and I've got 8 of those packs. So I'm going to multiply it out. 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 6, 48, plus 4 more gives me 52. 5,200 napkins. How many plates in 45 packs? So again, I don't care about the cost. 52 plates in a pack, and I got 45 of those packages. 5 times 2 is 10, carry my 1, 25, 26. Marco Polo, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 5 is 20. Add these up, and I'm at 2,340 plates. Alright, these next two seem a little different probably for some people. Explain the mistakes on the back. Well, I got some room here because I kind of cheated. For me, what I like to do if I know there's a mistake is I'm just going to go through and do the problem like I normally would. And then when I see where there's a mistake or they did something different than what I would do, that's going to let me know what's going on. So I'm starting with this one, and I know right away I would do 5 times 0. And 5 times 0 is 0. So right there I see a mistake already. 5 times 0 should be 0, not 5. I think that's probably the only mistake that they made. Let's see, 5 times 4 is 20. Yep. Got my Marco Polo 0 down. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. And then, yeah, they added everything correct. Let's try this one out. Going in the same order. So 7 times 8 is 56. I'd put down my 6 and carry my 5. They're good so far. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 5 gives me 21. Still good. Mark out the 5. Put down my... Oh, they didn't put the 0 down here. Okay. They didn't put a 0 in when they multiplied by 40 because the 4 is in the tens place. And if it is, then that makes the number, what we're multiplying by here, really 40, which is why I should have a 0 there, and then the 8 and the 0 and the 1 would have all been scooted over one place. Last couple. Oh, I see an estimate word up there already. Estimate. A train car can hold 76,214 pounds. Sarah's Shipping owns 6,849 train cars. About how many pounds in all can her trains carry? Estimate and about tell me I'm going to round them off. And since it doesn't tell you what to round off to, I always go to the highest place because I want to get as many zeros as I can. So if I round this off, I'm going to find the 7, circle the 6, level 6 bully, get off my floor, go up one more. So 76,214 pounds is really about 80,000 pounds. Going to the trains, underline the first place, circle the second. Level 8 bully, get off my floor, whip one more. So she has about 7,000 train cars. So now when I go to multiply, I'm going to get rid of all my zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know I got 7 zeros at the end. 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm just left with 8 times 7, which is 56. Get my commas in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, comma. 560 million pounds. LBS is abbreviation for pounds. Try the next one. Farmer Stevens has 812 cows. They each weigh 874 pounds. About how many pounds is that in all? Again, we're rounding them off before we multiply. Divide the 8, circle the 1. So she or he, whoever Farmer Stevens is, has about 800 cows. How much does each cow weigh? Level 7 bull, we get off my floor, whip one more. So they each weigh about 900 pounds. So I'm taking 800 times 900. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros to get rid of. And then I've just got 8 times 9, which is 72. So her cows, or his cows, all together weigh about 720,000 pounds. And hopefully you'll be ready for the test tomorrow.